Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science class of 8th standard. Children, see in the picture what it is. It is the map of India. Who is administrating the country? That is government. Here, administration means the management of public affairs. So, which type of government we are having? Democratic government. Democracy means rule by the people. Means people elect their leaders. These leaders take this decision about laws. So how the people elect their representative? They elect their representative by election. So these are all the things: the administration, the elections, the government. This deals with one of the branch of social science. That branch is nothing but political science. So we can say that political science dealing with the political activities of man. As a subject of study, political science began with the Greeks. Though the Egyptians, Babylonians, Persians, Indians and Chinese have mentioned their ideas or thoughts about politics much earlier to Greeks, they failed to develop it as a systematic study. Politics was given the status of an independent science by Greeks. Greek philosophers like Socrates and his disciple Plato were great political thinkers. Plato, in his famous book Republic, for the first time discussed the nature and functions of state and government. Aristotle, the ancient Greek thinker and the student of Plato, is recognized as the father of political science for his valuable contribution to its growth and development. He wrote the first treatise in political science called the Politics. In this famous book, Aristotle discussed the origin, development, and functions of state. Kautilya's work, Arthashastra on economics, also has more information about political principles. Greek used the term politics for the study of state. The term politics is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city-state, and therefore a subject which deals with the affairs of city-state and its working was called politics by ancient Greeks. To study politics, scholars have preferred to use the term political science. Political science studies the origin, development, nature, administration, type, scope of a state, and rights and duties of the citizen. So, if you are studying political science, we will get these informations. So we can say political science is study of all facets of state. Political science also study past, present and future of political institutions, political functions and political theories. Political institutions, it means the organization in a government that create, enforce and apply laws. For example, political parties, trade union and court. Importance of political science. Political science helps to understand the birth and growth of the state. Even it provides information about the type of governments. Which type of government a country is having, either democratic, monarchy, dictatorship, etc. And political activities involved in the functions of the state. Example, election we can say. There is the involvement of the government officers also, even the common people also. Next, political science provides information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good government, wars and Means it gives the idea to the people about their fundamental rights, about their duties toward the country. It provides information about the structure and functions of the state and government. Means the functions of the government like providing leadership, maintaining order, providing public services, providing national security, providing economic security, etc. Next, in the light of the past and the present activities of the government, political science helps to plan the future activity of the state. It also helps whatever mistake did in the past, it will not repeat in the future. It also helped to establish a modern welfare state. Political science also provides knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. Means we come to know when constitution was approved, when it came into force, what written in the constitution, what is preamble. Even the Constitution of India guarantees protection of life and personal liberty to one and all. It provides adequate safeguards to fundamental rights. Political science helps to understand the organs of the government, that is legislature, executive and judiciary, and their functions. Legislature means a group of politicians in a state or a country that make laws. Executive is a branch of government that executes and enforces law. And judiciary is the branch of government which administers justice according to law. Next, political science develops political consciousness among the people. It keeps the government and the people politically alert and active. Political consciousness means a person's awareness of politics. The knowledge of political science helps leaders and civil servants to understand and solve the problems of the people effectively. It also helps to raise good leadership and good citizen. Political science helps to understand the important political institutions like political parties, federations and local bodies. In our country we have national political parties also, regional political parties also. National political parties Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National Congress, Communist Party of India, etc. Regional parties such as Samajwadi Party, Shiv Sena, Janata Dal, etc. Federalism is a system where the dual machinery of government functions. We have two levels of parliament. At the center, the union government, and at state level, we have the individual state government. Local bodies are institutions of the local self-governance which look after the administration of an area or a small community such as villages, towns or cities. Political science deals with the ideologies which inspire and influence political involvement of people. For example, elections. Political science also provides the knowledge of international relations, especially the occurrence of wars among the nations and the importance of peace and cooperation. The study of political science helps us to understand the need for the state, good governance of the state, the role of the leaders and people's participation. The knowledge of political science contributes to the establishment of a peaceful, progressive and a happy state. So students, in this lesson we understood about meaning and importance of political science.